Welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'll guide you through focusing your iPhone camera on a subject while blurring the background, a popular effect that really makes your photos or videos stand out. Keep in mind that this technique depends a bit on which iPhone model you have, as not all models support the same features. Let's go over the steps for both photos and videos so you can create that professional look. Starting with photos, open the camera app and switch to portrait mode. Portrait mode is specifically designed to keep your subject in sharp focus while softening the background. For the best effect, position your subject about 2 to 8 feet from the camera. This distance helps the iPhone's camera create a strong background blur. Once you're set, tap on your subject on the screen to lock the focus, making sure the camera knows exactly where to concentrate. On certain iPhone models, you can adjust the depth effect even more by tapping the F icon on the screen, which controls the f-stop. Lowering the f-stop value will create a more intense background blur. Additionally, if you want an even stronger effect, try moving closer to the subject, as this naturally increases the depth of field and makes the background appear more blurred. After you've taken the photo, some models allow you to adjust the blur further in the Photos app. Just tap Edit and use the depth slider to modify the background blur to your liking. Now, when it comes to videos, you'll want to use cinematic mode. This feature was first introduced on the iPhone 13 Pro. So if you're using an iPhone 13, 14, or earlier models, cinematic mode might not be available. However, newer models like the iPhone 15 Pro and later fully support this mode and will give you that beautiful cinematic look with a blurred background. To get started, open the camera app, switch to cinematic mode, and begin recording. The camera will automatically focus on your subject, keeping them sharp while applying a soft blur to the background. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you capture stunning photos and videos with your iPhone, please like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more helpful tips. See you later.